Hello, I'm Yvonne Decelis, and I really hope you can hear me. I'm coming to you on my channel YNergy. I'm going to show you guys 2 exercises. Hope you like the silly winter unicorn hat. I'm wearing it for 2 reasons. Number 1 is because I give in. I don't care what I look like when it's really cold. I just want something that covers my ears and keeps me warm, but I'm also wearing this because I'm hoping this video will help to cheer you up. This is a request video that I'm doing for a good friend of mine who is very depressed. I wanted to show you 2 things you can do if you're feeling really sad, if you're really depressed, if you're crying and you just can't control it. I'm really hoping these 2 exercises will help you. The very first one's a very quick one. I always recommend rubbing your hands together to warm them up. First thing you want to do is you want to put your hands together on your heart chakra. And this is to just open your heart chakra up. So you want to just press in and then bring your fingers together at the center and just pull apart all the way out to the shoulders and then shake your hands out. And you can do that as many times as you need to. Just think of it as opening your heart up and letting out the pain and then shaking the negativity away. That's a very quick one. This next one is a little bit slower, and one word of caution with this next one. I'm going to move in a little bit closer just so you can see a little better what I'm doing here. But this next one, the very first move, I'm going to have you cup your chin like this. And I just wanted to give you some feedback I've gotten about this particular pose itself, where you have your hands on your head this way. My phone's giving me a message that I'm going to just move out of the way. I've been told by people that when they do this, it makes them cry, and my phone is once again giving me messages. There we go. Sorry about the hands, but I've had a few people tell me that when they put their head in their hands like this, it makes them cry, and they couldn't figure out why it was making them cry. And what I believe the reason is according to Donna Eden and both of her daughters, Titania and Dondi Dolan, when you do this, you're tapping into something called the penetrative flow. I believe what that means is you're tapping into deeply buried feelings. I'm actually doing this as I'm saying this. I'm saying deeply buried feelings that tap into the triple warmer. And I believe one of the reasons this move works is because I think in a way it exhausts you. So if you're crying a lot and you find that you can't stop, this may help. However, when you're doing this, if you can't stop crying, just take your head out of your hands and move your hands away from your head. That's my advice. I've used this move in the past during times when I was really upset and I couldn't figure out why it worked. And all I could think was it must be working because it's exhausting me. It's just making me so tired that I just can't cry anymore. I'm actually moving the hat up because I need to get my hairline visible. So there's my hairline right there. So again, you know, and I'll move the hat out of the way. Forgive the hair, but I just wanted to wear the hat temporarily. But anyway, this move, you're going to start out once again, warm the hands up, get them nice and warm. Best breathing is breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth if you can. The most important thing about breathing for energy healing is to have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth when you're inhaling. Right behind your top row of teeth, there's a little divot that you should be able to keep your tongue at when you are breathing in. That's most important. If you have to do all nasal or all oral, that's fine. I'm going to do the in through the nose, out through the mouth bit. And again, warm the hands up, get them nice and warm, and then cup your chin in your hands and hold it here for just one moment. Take a breath in. And then on the breath out, bring your middle fingers to the very ridge of the top of your nose and press in hard. And as you're breathing out, just press in and keep pressing and moving your hands up until you get to your hairline. When you get to the hairline, stop. You can hold it there for a moment. And then just bring your fingers together at the center of your forehead, push in and pull apart. This is kind of like opening up your crown chakra. But bring your fingers to your temples and hang out there just for a moment. This is a good spot to hang out if you have a headache, and this is also on the triple warmer meridian. Hold it there for a few moments longer. And then bring your hands down to your heart chakra and just hang out here at the heart chakra. According to Donna Eden, when you have your hands at heart chakra, it's a good spot to be because she said it's like coming home to yourself. But I have added a move to this, so you can either end the move here, or you can continue on to this next part, which I have to lower my camera for so you can see what I'm doing. What I do from here is what I like to call the triple warmer rub. So from here, you slide back up, almost like you're going for your throat. Then you're just gonna bring your hands down. You're gonna slide your hands up and down your arms. But then you're gonna go up the back of your neck. I'm gonna move my hair out of the way. Up the back of your neck and around and over. And let me do it on a side where I do not have a headset. I have a Bluetooth headset in this ear, so that was kind of in the way. Let me just do this again. So when you go up, once again, you want to go up the back of your neck, behind the ear, and just bring the index finger as high up as you can behind the ear. So you want to do this on both sides. Up, back behind the ears, and then back down the back of the neck, back of the arms, tips of the fingers. And you can do that as many times as you want. You'll know it's working if you feel a temperature or a pressure shift. If you don't feel anything at all, it means it may not be for you. But that's the full move. I really do hope that was helpful. I hope that helps you feel better. And please know that I am sending Reiki energy your way right now. If that was helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Give me a like, a subscribe. Any sort of interactivity would be very much appreciated. And as always, thank you so much for your time. Once again, I really hope this was as audible as possible. And I really, really hope you feel better. Praying for you, praying for all of us, honestly. Thank you once again for your time. Namaste, peace and light, and I will see you again in about a week if you come back, which I hope you will do. Thank you once again. Namaste. Cheers.